how do I know that I have a framework? Because I think sometimes we're just good and we're like, I can help you get there, but we don't know why we're good at what we do.
Exactly. And that's a great question. So that's why a coach comes into play. And let me better frame that, what I just said to you. Often we get a vision and we get an idea, right? And it's usually start a business or go help someone in there, go help divorced women, go help divorced men. That's the end thing. But we don't get the download as far as the process.
Right.
So we just immediately either jump into, I got a business idea and we don't know which way to go with it. Or if you're like me, I get the people that I got to clean up stuff. You know, they've already launched it. They've already put the book out there. Nothing is working. Nobody's biting the bait. They're not getting clients. They're not getting readers. And I got to help clean up that because they didn't go seek for additional help. And to your question, that's where a coach does come in. Go speak with a coach for clarification on your idea, on your vision, and then that coach can help pull other things out of you in terms of the direction that you may want to go.